yesterday we had such a beautiful day, just hanging out, not doing anything, not thinking, just relaxing. Yeah. But today it's a gorgeous day and we have a motorbike, so we're going to explore. But first we have to eat at this amazing restaurant we discovered yesterday. Why it's so amazing, you ask? Look at this view. I can get used to this.
All right. So we have made it upstairs. This place is called Rostaview, right?
Yeah.
Rostaview, and it's only maybe a 1-minute drive from where we're staying. And the view is incredible. It's literally just mountains in the background. You have a dock with a bunch of boats on it. You have a smaller dock right in front of us, and you just look out and just see waves coming in while there's palm trees setting the frame. It's an absolutely gorgeous view. And so we are going to sip our pineapple and watermelon shakes while overlooking this for breakfast, because we figured, let's start the day like this. Why not? We're on an island, guys. Get into the island life. I'm gonna cheers myself to that.
Hey!
Oh yeah, they're both mine.
Hey! So we've since gotten back onto the bikes and now we're just driving. I don't see any foreigners on this side of the island or any signs in English or honestly any signs at all, to be honest. But this is a beautiful ride and you know, let's just see where this takes us. So the sign said that there's a tropical beach down a not super sketchy, but still kind of sketchy dirt road. Hence why I'm like bouncing up and down. It is like four-wheeling.
This is amazing. Okay, so there's Annette.
What?
There, you can get a massage here for 300 baht.
You're kidding me.
It says 1 hour. Thai massage.
On the ocean.
250.
Okay, we're doing it then. Oh, did you want to do the balm one?
Do you?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
So, this is where we're going to be for the next hour. We're getting a massage on the beach facing the ocean.
All right, we are gonna get this massage and we'll see you guys right after.
Wow.
Yeah, there are no words to sum up how amazing that was. Literally, oh, I can't even say words.
Honestly, during the entire massage, you're getting this really intense massage, deep tissue massage with balm, and then you're hearing the waves crash in the background. Just like that.
Yeah, right, perfect timing. It was fantastic. I'm pretty sure I hit the snooze button a couple times, but it's okay.
I definitely started falling asleep one time and I'm like, no, Annette, stay awake, you paid for this. Oh, that was so worth it. Best $10 each we've ever spent.
Yeah. All right, so we are gonna walk and check out the beach and then hop back on the bike and keep exploring. Yeah. I think really we're just gonna have a lazy day. So we may hang out here, may go hang out in a hammock on the bungalow. Just take you guys with us. But
you want to know something, guys? The best of Koh Chang is the fact that you're on a beach with really beautiful islands in the background.
Yeah. We found a nice little spot under a tree, on a tree swing, and we've just been enjoying the sounds of the ocean and just sitting here rocking back and forth, looking out at the islands.
And to be honest, I really just want a nap. I want to have a little bed with a little blanket and a little pillow and pass out right here.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially after that massage.
Well, anyways, we are going to hop back on the bike and then we are going to go to Lonely Beach.
One of them.
One of them. We're going to go to a beach.
And honestly, I'm so glad that we took the turn when we thought we were going the wrong way.
Yeah.
Because honestly, we've realized a lot in Thailand. If it looks wrong, it's probably right, and you're probably gonna end up somewhere where not a lot of other people are, and that's exactly what happened. And we got the best massage there.
Oh my gosh, what an hour spent. It was ridiculous. It cost us 300 baht to have like a tiger balm massage.
Yeah. So now we've made it to what I think is a Siam resort. It's off of the Lonely Beach, and honestly, it's gorgeous. The water is crystal clear. There's not as many waves here like there were in the other place. And there's tons of hammocks under the trees. So I'm gonna get in the water now.
While Annette swims, I am going to get inside of a hammock. Oh yes. It is nap time.
Look at that beautiful woman right over there. I can't believe I got to marry her. Guys, I'm really the luckiest man in the world.
The water was so nice. It's a really nice temperature, but the moment you get out, it's breezy and kind of cold. I could cut glass right now.
Leave it up to her to make one of them jokes. I love it.
What'd I do? I didn't do anything.
Anyways, guys, that is literally all we have planned for today. I think we're just gonna go back and sit in a hammock and look at the ocean.
As far as other things to do in Koh Chang, there is, you know, a bunch of waterfalls, but we did come at the very peak of high season where they're all dried up. I think there's only one that's available on the island, but we didn't think it was worth driving, you know, that 2 hours to the other side to show you something dry.
Yeah.
But thank you guys so much for joining us. Like Daniel said, make sure that you click the subscribe button down below so that you can see the rest of our adventures around the world, which up and coming are the Philippines. So make sure you click that subscribe button, click the like button, and we'll see you
on our next adventure in paradise.
Oh, always.